So what sadistic a-hole designed this crap? I mean, there's no screws or anything. You can't take this off to get to condenser coils. So I'm thinking, well, there'll be a box of condenser coils down here, you know, in a kind of a square instead of an elongated rectangle. But nope. Where the hell are the condenser coils? And I'm not unreasonable. I realize not all the coils go up the back. And when I'm looking for a condenser, I know that it's going to be covered by some cover or something maybe, or not up the back at all. But I expect to see something maybe like this. I mean, look at that. Got a big rectangular condenser coil back there. It's not the easiest thing to get to. Got a little fan on it. But it is accessible. I can get to it. I can clean that and return this to the efficiency it was when it was new. When it's not just up the back, it's up the back and it's got a cover over it. And there's a slot at the bottom where air can go in the bottom, and a slot at the top where air can go in or out the top. This one's obviously set too close to the wall. It's not getting enough exit air. But that can be fixed because you can get to it. Look, there's a condenser coil right there. It could be got to, it could be cleaned. It could be moved a little bit further away from the wall. It's even got a fan blowing on it. But what the hell did Frigidaire do here? What are they thinking? And where is an air opening to let air in there? I mean, look under here. How solid that is. I mean, I know there's like air vents in the front, but once the air gets under the freezer, where's it going to go? Because it's not going over condenser coils. Because where are the condenser coils? I mean, look. There's a Freon tube. So where are the coils? And how are you supposed to clean them if you can't get to them? And how's the air supposed to get to them? I mean, I got questions. This makes no sense. There's no air holes here to get air to the condenser coils. They're not on the side. They're not on the top. They're not on the other side. So where is the condenser coils, and how is air getting across the condenser coils to get rid of the heat? What in the heck is going on here? No wonder this thing seems to run and run and run and burn up electricity all the time.